Hey everyone, Matthew Haviland here with the prompt team at Keller Williams Realty Atlantic Shore, and today I'm taking you inside the Addison of Somers Place right here in Egg Harbor Township. In this video, we're going to explore the community together. I'll walk you through the different areas, show you some of the available living options. We'll talk with a few residents and give you a better sense of what day-to-day life looks like here. If you're beginning to look at assisted living options for yourself or maybe for a family member, this will give you a very helpful look at one of the options here in the area. So let's go take a look.
Helping you live your best life today, taking the stress of the process away. At Keller Williams, we'll make it all right. Your highest quality of life is inside.
Before we get into the tour, let me give you a quick breakdown of what this community offers. The Addison of Somers Place is an assisted living community focused on providing support where it's needed while still allowing residents to maintain their independence and routine. There are approximately 39 assisted living units here, which makes this a smaller, more close-knit environment compared to some of the larger communities that you'll find. And that really stands out right away because in a setting like this, residents tend to build stronger relationships and staff are able to provide more individualized attention, which helps create a more comfortable, familiar atmosphere. Support is available for daily needs like dressing, bathing, and medication management, depending on each resident's situation. Another nice benefit here is that pets are welcome, which can make a big difference for someone transitioning into a new environment and wanting to bring a sense of home with them. Dining is provided in a shared setting where residents can enjoy meals together, and there are also common spaces and organized activities that give residents opportunities to stay engaged. So overall, the focus here is on creating a supportive, comfortable environment that feels personal and manageable and not overwhelming. All right, so as we come into the community here, one of the things you'll notice about this location in Egg Harbor Township is how convenient it is. You're close to everyday shopping, healthcare, and main roadways, which makes it easy for family and friends to visit. We're just off Ocean Heights Avenue and a few minutes from Somers Point. From here, I'm going to take you through the community so you can get a better sense of how everything is laid out and what it actually feels like to be here. Welcome to the Addison of Somers Place. Let's go take a look inside. All right, welcome to the Addison of Somers Place here in Egg Harbor Township. It's lunchtime, a lot of activity going on right here, but I'm going to show you the main living area here and show you around a little bit. So this is the main living area, activities, a lot of things happening here, and take you for a tour of the rest of the community. One of the nice things about the way this community is laid out, it is a smaller community. Everything is really essentially located here. So you have one hallway that goes all the way through and all the way around. So it's basically one big loop with a courtyard in the middle. You have seating areas throughout. This is a little nook here. You have a little library area. You got your library, your books, piano, organ here. It's a really nice, cozy little reading nook. We also have another little game nook, game area. We've got puzzles, board games, plenty of activities, things to keep you busy here. Oh boy, we lost one. Oh boy, this is a good one. All right, we got N44. It's time for some bingo. So this is the activities game room here. We're gonna be playing some bingo here in a few minutes. There's also a little kitchen setup area here. All the activities would be taking place right here or out in the main living area for the most part. So one of the great things about this layout is you have this central courtyard area here, great outdoor living space. There's some seating areas, there's a garden area, and it's just one loop all the way around. It's a smaller community, only about 39 residents here. Next, let's take a look at some of the living spaces. And this is where it really starts to come together because you can begin to picture what living here might look like on a daily basis. So it's time to dive into the room options here at the Addison of Somers Place. First one, come on, join me here for it. This is an example of what a studio would look like. So inside the studio room here at the Addison, as you see, we have a really nice efficiency type kitchen setup here. We've got your sink, you've got your toaster, the coffee maker, the microwave, the mini refrigerator, plenty of cabinetry. So plenty of room to have some snacks, have some breakfast, some toast, things like that you might want to have on hand here in the room. And then this is basically set up as a studio. Have a really cozy living area here. Great windows here. I love the view. Got a nice view of kind of a wooded area right out the window here. Room for your bed. And as you come back back here, 2 closets, and then the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we have a large roll-in shower, which is great, and toilet area accessible here with the bar, so very easy to maneuver here in the bathroom. So welcome into a studio deluxe room. So this is a little bit bigger. You can see here in the kitchen area, very similar setup to the studio. We've got the sink, we've got the microwave, we've got the refrigerator here, plenty of cabinetry. And as you come into the room, you see it's a little bit larger. You have a little bit larger living area here. Feels a little more spacious, more room for bed. You could do really a large bed in here if you wanted to. Closet right here. And also the bathroom is larger too. Now let me take you for a tour of a 1-bedroom room right here. Come on in. So let me take you for a little tour here. So this is very spacious. We have a kitchen area here. I like that you have a full closet right here as you walk in. We have the sink, we have the refrigerator, the microwave, and a really cozy living space here. This is a corner unit, so you actually have 3 windows here, which is really nice. Great space to just sit and relax and feel really comfortable here in this unit. This is a 1-bedroom, so we actually have a separate bedroom area here. And again, a spacious bedroom. Could get a little larger bed in here if you wanted to. You even have a little seating area here. Closet, full-size closet here as well. And then there is a full bathroom here. Like this pocket door, so you have a little space here. And the bathroom, we have another roll-in shower, vanity, and very accessible here the way this is laid out. Now, beyond the building itself, what really shapes the experience in a place like this is the people, and especially in a smaller community. That sense of familiarity and connection can make a big difference. So I had the chance to speak with a few residents to hear what their experience was like and what that's been like living here. So let's hear what they had to say. So Betty, thank you for meeting with me today. Appreciate it.
You're fine.
So can you tell me, how long have you been here at the community?
My gosh, I forget.
6 months.
I was going to say 6 months.
About 6 months here
Yeah.
in the community? Okay.
Time just goes.
Yeah. What made you choose this community to live in?
Well, about a year ago, I fell and broke my hip. And I was in a couple of hospitals for a while. And at home, I had somebody with me for 3 months. And my house was getting a little bit too big for me to worry about cleaning and doing all that. And the boys, my sons, I have 2 sons, they went and looked at quite a few of these, and then they saw this one and had the 2 rooms, and they came and said, "Mom, we found a place for you." It worked.
That's great.
Yeah.
From living at home to coming here to the community, what's that done for you? It's just your quality of life.
Well, I've been very, very lucky. I have 2 great sons and fantastic neighbors that still come here. And at my party, there were so many. Bob and his brother did this, and wives did this whole thing. It surprised me. I couldn't believe it. We were going out to lunch. We went into this restaurant, and I said, "We can't stay here, it's full. So we better go to another restaurant." And I looked around and I saw a girl that I hadn't seen for at least 30 years. And I knew right away it was one of the teachers.
Oh, wow.
And I said, "Oh my word." And then I looked and I knew everybody. And
So you just turned, how old did you just turn?
What birthday was that, Mom? What birthday was it?
100.
100.
You turned 100 and you look fantastic, I gotta say. 100, that's great.
Yeah, I was 100.
So Bob, thank you for chatting with me. We just talked to Mom and got her story, which was wonderful.
My pleasure, Matthew.
And I know that you were a big part of her decision coming here. So tell me a little bit about that process and maybe why you ultimately chose this community.
Sure. When we realized my mom would be better off in a facility like this, my brother, his wife, and my wife looked online for many places and then narrowed it down to 3 places that we took a physical look at and felt that any of them might work for my mom. Ended up choosing here for several reasons. One is the philosophy about an assisted living, but not one that does everything for you. My mom is really very independent. If she can do it, she wants to do it. She doesn't want people fussing around her. I'll do it. So I think that's helped her keep as active as she is. When we interviewed here with the people who were very nice, very attentive, they explained that the residents here can do whatever they want. Whatever they're capable of doing, go ahead and do it. If they need help, they simply ask for it, and we like that philosophy.
someone's considering senior living options, maybe they're considering a community like this, what advice would you give to maybe they're considering that for a parent or for a loved one?
Sure. To narrow it down, because there are a lot of facilities around, decide what philosophy, what type would be best for their parent or loved one, whichever. Sign up for on-site interviews and walk around and get a feel for the atmosphere, for the staff, for their philosophies at the different facilities. And I think eventually you'll start to crystallize a concept of what type you want, and then to further narrow it down. That worked for us, and it turned out to be a good decision. She's very happy here, and we are also.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
All right, Barbara, well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. I appreciate it. And maybe I could ask, how long have you been here at the community?
I would say 3 months.
3 months. Okay, so you're new here.
3 to 4. Yes, I am.
3 to 4 months. And what was the circumstances that caused you to make a move to come here?
Because I was living in my house by myself. My husband passed away, and I have had several back surgeries, and I'm bent over. And my son, he said, no, Mom. He said, you'd be in a good place if you went down here. And he said, if anything happened and you'd fall, people are there. At home, you'd be alone. Yeah. So the more I thought about it, didn't take long. I said, I agree, and I do agree. And I'm glad I did.
That's great.
Yes, I'm very happy here.
If someone's considering making a move to a community like this or this community, or maybe they have a loved one that they're thinking of looking at options for, if they're considering making a move to come here.
Oh, they sure can, and I would talk to them, and it's just a great place. Look outside. Look what I have. I have the birds and the feeders and the squirrels. But all the different types of birds, and even when in here, if there are some games, but it makes it a little difficult for my eyes, so, but I enjoy it. I really do. My son made a good choice.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for your sharing your experience with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you
but
so
I'm
much.
telling the truth. I mean it. It's a great, great place.
And as you can see, it's not just about the living spaces, it's about the day-to-day experience. Whether it's sharing meals, participating in activities, or just enjoying time with others, that's what really creates the atmosphere here. And if you're watching this and you're starting to think about next steps, a lot of people find that the hardest part is simply figuring out where to begin. So if you'd like help walking through your options or talking through your situation, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help, and you can connect with me or learn more about the community at promptagents.com/Addison. So hopefully this gives you a clearer picture of what the Addison of Somers Place has to offer in Egg Harbor Township. If you're looking for a smaller, more personal setting where residents are known and cared for on an individual level, this is definitely a community worth considering. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'm putting out more content like this to help you get a better understanding of your options. And when it comes to senior living and making a move, and if you're trying to get a bigger picture of how all this works, you need to check out my Senior Living Options 3.0 presentation, and that will really walk you through everything that you need to know to make a confident decision. Thanks for watching, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.